Good morning, dear students. Previously, we have learned about many changes around us in the substances. Today, we are in the ends of the topic how and where the change takes place in our environment. There are two other types or other ways to bring about changes in the substances. First, mixing two or more substances together. Now we can describe it about these ways. When two or more substances are mixed with each other, we observe two types of changes. First, reversible, and the next is irreversible. We have learnt about reversible and irreversible very well. Example, when a small amount of curd is added to warm milk, it converts into curd. This is an irreversible change because the curd cannot be converted into milk again. So we say that the conversion of milk into curd is also a chemical change. The next example is when we add salt to water, it becomes salty and mixed with each other completely. But it is a reversible change because both can be separated by the physical means. This can also be called a physical change because it can be separated in its original form by physical processes like heating. The second is expansion and contraction. Expansion means to expand the things and the contraction means to make smaller the things. The causes of expansion and contraction is heating and cooling. Heating of a substance causes expansion while cooling down of a substance causes contraction. For example, in order to make tools like an axe, iron blade, etc., iron is heated to expand so that it becomes larger in size, and then it is allowed to cool down, which makes it contract again so that it becomes smaller in size and can be framed in a desired shape. Thanks.